So, I'm coming back as being sanguine, not today, because you get the market up, and the same people are buying today. If they see someone who landed and is in the state of Washington, they'll say, I got to sell. And we got to guard ourselves against silly sellers. You listen to Bourla and to Bancel, Moderna, and Pfizer, and you come back and you say, look, these guys are the people you have to bank on. They know the science. They're doctors. They say things that, frankly, are very practical. And then Dr. Gottlieb, who, of course, works with Pfizer, is very practical. And I come back and I say, if they're all so practical, then the thing you can't do is say, you know what, I'm going to sell. Because, David, what that may mean is that these people solve it, and then you have to buy back much higher.
Right. What would be the key things, I can imagine what they are, that you're waiting for, along with so many other investors, to try to understand the implications of this new variant and whether, in fact, it is something that is going to be a significant threat?
Well, I have felt that we were getting toward herd immunity. And if we hear that someone who already has it gets it again, that would be my biggest fear. I'm much less fearful about the idea that if you're triple boost, you got the boost, that you might get sick again, because there I think that you might get sick mildly. Of course, the unvaccinated are just whipping boys. I mean, this should just really scare them, scare everybody who isn't vaccinated.
Right.
When you hear this kind of thing and you're not vaccinated, is it really because you think it's a political thing that they can't tell me what to do? I mean, I would love to see a governor from Florida, for instance, say, you know what, this has gotten out of control. We got to get vaccinated so we can get back to work. And there can't be any resistance, because what happens is if everybody gets vaccinated, then your country is much less at risk. And that could be, we saw many outbreaks of diseases in Africa that we had beaten in this country over the last couple of decades. So I feel like I'm not sanguine, because obviously when you get the outbreak in America, which you almost have to, the markets will be down. They'll give up this game. But I'm just saying, if you panic, I think you're going to miss the opportunity and you're going to end up paying higher.